morning, guys. It's 11:05. So excited for today. Yesterday, I missed y'all. I missed taking a vlog. I missed vlogging. It's not that I missed it, but I missed the feeling of vlogging. I just love doing this. To start, I hope you guys are good. I'm just showing y'all what I eat for breakfast. Today I'm eating oatmeal. I know you guys gonna get at me with this, but coffee and protein in it. And then I make sure I get my water. I be feeling dehydrated if I don't drink enough water. So, and before I used to gain so much weight because I thought I was hungry, but all this time I was dehydrated. So then I'm having an apple, and like today I don't feel like doing a voiceover. I'll rather do the vlog normally, but I know it's the beginning phase, so I'm just gonna vlog the gym, and then later on I can show y'all what I do on a daily basis. So make sure y'all leave a like and comment so YouTube can spread it to other people. I wanted to share like some motivation, you know what I'm saying, to y'all real quick. So in life, you're gonna have two choices when bad circumstances, what you believe that it should be fair or not fair happens. Either you react in fear or you react in faith. Both of them, it requires us to believe. Either you believe the lie or you believe the fear, which traps you, or you believe in the faith, which it asks you to do something that to get out your comfort zone, to do things that you normally don't do. So why I'm bringing this up, me myself, I'm probably not in the best situation in my life right now. According to society, what we can do in this situation is to do what we normally don't do, which is get out our shadows. Right now, life is asking me to have faith even more, put more trust in God to do the impossible. But me myself also gotta go out there and get my own money. Work out every day. You, someone that's watching, I'll challenge you. No matter what situation you are, if it's you got family issues, you got like parents issues, whatever issues you have in your life, I'm asking you to look at the positive and don't let situation break you, let them make you. It's how you react to them is what is gonna make you. Now, if you let the situation bring you down and you start getting into depression because the situation is challenging you to step out or do something that you never done before. That's what most bad situations do. It push you to react certain way, but it's in your choice to think positive about it or to push yourself to do what you normally don't do or to stay still and stay stagnant. So I wanted to share with y'all and know that life is not easy, but it's never easy, bro. It was never easy since the beginning. It was never easy at all. I'll leave this with y'all. Today we're gonna do some, I think it's back and shoulder workout. And just to let y'all know, I followed the bro split. It's fun for me. Y'all can choose push pull leg. That one, like, it's not too much fun. So guys, working the back and shoulders, like I said. So I'm gonna do 5 reps for warm up, and then 2 reps with weight and stuff. We're gonna do seated cable row, the under grip. So with this one, I realized with the pull-ups, you gotta really pull. I don't know if you guys can see me right now, but it looks pretty dark over there. We're gonna squeeze in this one, and yeah, so we're gonna do 4 sets, 8 to 10 reps. So let's go on that one. Let's. Six, 7, 8. That's a shame, bro. In the other gym I was doing last week, I hit 80. This week in a different gym, I have to go down 42.5. Because 80 here is like really heavy, and I'm not an ego lifter, and I told you guys that sucks, because this is my pre-peak, so I can't really be lifting. Like, if it's heavy for me this week, that means next week is gonna be more heavier. So I have to be
Like, I'm not egoistic, man. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we move on to the electric chest supporting room machine. 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. 5, 6, 7, 8. We move to the workout machine. 35. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12. Yeah. This is the last exercise. Second set. 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Crazy. This is crazy, bro. Come on, let's go. That's it. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done for today. Hey y'all, so I was just sipping on the food I showed you last time because I got a little hungry. So right now I'm gonna keep it to the gym, the workouts and stuff. I just love doing it. Today was a little bit challenging for me because it's been a while since actually going public and do videos, right? Which is not a problem, but it just overall when I go to the gym, I'd rather be by myself. Like I'd rather be in a place where all the weight is for me and I don't have to see nobody. I don't know why I became like that, but that's how it is right now. Yeah, I'm gonna keep it short and hopefully I can show you guys what I eat and stuff and share more stuff what I do my day. But since it's a new and I just love the gym, I'll keep it up to that. Yeah, that'll be the end of the video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. God bless you, God love you, and I'm out.